students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 9 related to Laplace transform. Evaluation of integral, integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at into e raised to bt into f of t into dt. If the given example is in this format, then how you are going to find out the Laplace transform of given example? So what you need to do, first you have to find out what is the function f of t. So first you need to calculate Laplace of f of t. Once you find out Laplace of f of t, then you need to check what is e raised to bt into f of t. So as you know that by first shifting theorem, if it is e raised to at, so you need to replace whatever answer you will get after taking the Laplace of f of t, you have to replace s by s minus a. So similarly, if you observe carefully, as I told you, first you have to take the Laplace transform of f of t. The second procedure is what? You have to take the Laplace transform of e raised to bt into f of t. It means that simply you need to apply first shifting theorem. Now you need to observe carefully. What is given the third part? So what you have to do, whatever example will be given to you, simply divide that particular example into third part. How? First would be f of t, the second would be this function, and the third would be evaluation of integral. So as you know that, as already we had discussed what is evaluation of integral. So as per the evaluation of integral, whatever value, whatever answer you will get for the another function, in that you have to substitute s is equal to a. I hope you remember. Okay. So to understand type number 9, we'll solve two examples. So let's begin with the first example. What is given? Integration of 0 to infinity. First you have to identify if it is integration of 0 to infinity. That problem is related to evaluation of integral. Okay. So here what is given? Integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t into e raised to 3t into sin t into dt. Now what you need to do? You have to compare the given example with the standard form. If you observe carefully, what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. What is the value of b? B is equal to 3. What is the value of f of t? In given example, f of t is equal to sin t. So as I told you, step number 1. Let's begin with the solution. Solution 1. You have to calculate Laplace of sin t. As you know that as per the standard result, Laplace of sin at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. So here sin of t means sin of 1t, which is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. Now done with this part. Now what is there? The next part is e raised to 3t. So now I need to calculate Laplace of e raised to 3t into sin t. So how you are going to find out Laplace of e raised to 3t sin t? Already we have done with this. Laplace of sin t is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. But by first shifting theorem, how you are going to find out Laplace of e raised to 3t into sin t? By first shifting theorem, if it is e raised to 3t, you have to replace s by s minus 3. So the answer is, you need to replace, as I said, s by s minus 3 whole square plus 1. The final answer is 1 upon s square minus 6s plus 10. I hope you have understood the solution for example number 1. What is the given result? If it is in the form of integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at into e raised to bt into f of t into dt. So what you need to do? First you have to find out the function f of t. You need to calculate the Laplace transform of that particular function. Once you have done with that, then you need to apply first shifting theorem. If it is e raised to at, you need to replace s by s minus a. If it is e raised to minus at, you have to replace the answer by s plus a. And then you have to substitute. What would be the next step? I need to calculate Laplace of this function. So by evaluation of integral, we have to substitute s is equal to 2. So if I substitute s is equal to 2 in this answer, can you tell me what would be the answer? Final value you will get 2 square, that is 4, minus 6 into 2 plus 10, which is equal to 1 upon 14 minus 12. The final answer for this evaluation of integral is equal to 1 upon 2. I hope you have understood the solution for example number 1. Coming to the example 2. By looking at this particular portion, you can easily identify the given example is based on evaluation of integral. But if you observe carefully, this is cos h2t and this is sin 3t. So if you remember, cos h2t is nothing but equal to e raised to 2 theta, that is cos h2 theta is equal to, already we have learned all the formulas related to this function. Cos h2t is equal to, if you remember, can you recollect that formula? Cos e raised to 2t plus e raised to minus 2t upon 2. So if I need to calculate Laplace of cos h2t into sin 3t into dt. Let's consider Laplace of cos h2t into sin 3t. So first you need to find out what is the Laplace of sin 3t. Please pay attention over here. First, e raised to 2t plus e raised to minus 2t by 2. This is nothing but cos h2t ka formula. Then you need to write sin 3t as it is. And for this particular function, you need to calculate Laplace transform. So we can take 1 upon 2 outside the bracket. What we can do? We can take 1 upon 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? E raised to 2t into sin 3t plus e raised to minus 2t into sin 3t. I hope you have understood this step. After this, what you need to do? You have to find out Laplace of sin 3t. What is Laplace of sin 3t? As you know that 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. So Laplace of sin 3t is equal to 3 upon s square plus 9. If you observe carefully, it is e raised to 2t into sin 3t. So which type you need to apply? First shifting theorem formula. So by first shifting theorem, you will get 3 upon s square. I need to replace s by s minus 2 whole square plus 9. Similarly, here I need to replace s by s plus 2 whole square plus 9. By first shifting theorem, you need to substitute. You have to replace s by s minus 2 as it is e raised to 2t. Here it is e raised to minus 2t. So you need to replace s by s plus 2. So if you open the bracket, if you apply a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, you will be getting 3 upon s square minus 4s plus 13 plus 3 upon s square plus 4s plus 13. What would be the next step? The final answer, as it is evaluation of integral, we have to substitute s is equal to 1 in this Laplace. So after substituting, you need to substitute s is equal to 1. What you will get, you can take 3 by 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? 1 upon 1 square is 1 minus 4 plus 13 plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 plus 13. After calculation, you will get 14 upon 15. You have to check whether you are getting same answer or not. I hope you have understood how to apply type number 9 related to evaluation of integral, integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at e raised to bt f of t into dt. In next lecture, we'll continue with type number 10. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.